You ready? Come on. Let's go do this. Let's go get some work done today. Talking to my dog, Willow. Say hi, Willow. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Guys, what's going on? Today is harvest day. First harvest of the spring. That's right. Radishes. So I planted some radishes about March, late March time frame. And pretty sweet because, give me a second here. Gotta get my container. Pretty sweet because they are totally ready to go. And actually I'm already seeing some evidence of probably slugs, I'm assuming, just by looking at kind of like how they're eating up. So want to definitely get to these radishes before the old bugs and slugs do, which they already kind of have touched in on. But so check this out, you guys. So boom, greenhouse is definitely starting to come along. Nice little progress here. Lettuce is banging. Spinach just going nuts. Got some contained tomatoes, doing pretty good. Got some chives. Got a willow. She's doing good. Peppers are doing pretty good. And then here we go. Radishes. Check them out. You can see a little bit of the white right there. That's little bite marks. So these things are going off. So let's get those harvested today. And I don't know. Yeah, start eating them some radishes. Let's go, guys. This here. Here's some flight feathers. I'm gonna try to thin these out a little bit, not take every one of them out, because there are some other ones in here that got a little bit of room to grow. Now, look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Come on. Right? It's gonna be so good. We're gonna have some radish salads. Put some radishes on some sandwiches. Oh, Willow. Oh, you want a radish? All right, radish. So yes, super excited. Look at that. Awesome, right? We are going to eat some radishes. I'm going to do some pickling with these guys. Man, spring has sprung. Okay, so now that we got that little morning harvest taken care of, let's go on to a big project that's been stewing and brewing for many months over here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, chop it off on the top, obviously remove all that wood, and then I'm gonna place that playhouse down there right on top, in theory. Still works. I don't know, I saw that coming too, but I was like, no, what are the chances? That's funny. All right, that's a good day. Didn't break my camera. Awesome. The kid villa is done. Check this out. Kids are already loving it. I got a few things that I got to do still. I still got to work out the ladder setup. Got to get a little bit more. I'd like to put some railing, maybe even build like legit steps. So, but yeah, they love it, man. Check this out. So definitely right here, want to do some more railing, get it a little bit safer, because that's actually pretty high. And then I put down like a bunch of mulch at the bottom. Hopefully that'll protect them a little bit if they bail. There it is. Still some more work to do. Got to get roofing done. I got to get that weatherproofed. I've got some rubber matting that I found in a dumpster, which is pretty sweet. It's like a big roll of basically just a big roll of rubber mat, and I'm gonna use that and basically just cover up the roof, which will be pretty cool. And then get the railing squared away. And yeah, they love it. They've already been here playing, and we just had lunch here. It was pretty cool. And I think it's gonna be a really fun spot this summer to hang out. Definitely a little bit cooler. It's got a lot of shade around here, so that's pretty nice too. So, all right guys, thanks for watching. It was fun. And until next time, all the best. Ciao, ciao.